My PowerPoint is on basic operations using math mountains. The standard is to create and solve 1- and 2-step real-world addition and subtraction word problems through 100 involving adding to, putting together, taking from, taking apart, and comparing that have unknown quantities in all positions. Represent problems using pictures, equations that have a symbol, including letters, for the unknown quantity or other methods. This is what a math mountain looks like. At the very top of the math mountain, that's where you're going to put the total or the sum of the equation. At the bottom of the math mountain, you will see the add-ins or partners, 9 and 5. At the beginning of learning how to do math mountains, it might look like this, 9 plus 5. It's not going to have the addition signs and it's not going to have the subtraction signs in there. But this is the slide where I would teach the kids. You always add the two bottom partners, or if there's a number on top, you subtract. I will show in the following slides. At this time, I'm showing 9 plus 5 is called an equation. So I will show the students that 9 and 5 go at the bottom as partners, and we don't know what the sum or the total is yet. First thing I need to describe is, do we add 9 and 5 or do we subtract? I have the students put in the plus sign where it belongs and the minus signs where they belong, so it's easier for them to understand what they need to do. They figure out if they have to add the 9 and 5. They go ahead and do that, and then they write the equation on the bottom, 9 plus 5 equals 14. The total, or sum, which is 14, goes on top of the math mountain. To the right, I showed 4 different equations that you can write with this math mountain. The students will learn that 9 plus 5 equals 14, 5 plus 9 equals 14, 14 minus 9 equals 5, and 14 minus 5 equals 9. You use this template to reinforce add-ins and sums with addition and subtraction equations. Teachers can write in numbers in the math mountain based on their students' needs.